Now when we're answering the adding and subtracting fractions section, remember we always have to find a common denominator first. So looking at this section, I'm not going to go through how we found the common denominator. I'm really just going to be giving you your answers and then reducing the fraction. So if you look at these, the first question we get 8 over 4. 8 over 4 would reduce to 2 over 1. We can just write it as 2. Here we've got a question that's a little bit different. It's different than what we've seen before, but it works the same. 4 subtract 9 becomes negative 5 over 12. Okay, I'm not, again, going through a lot of detail with these answers. I'm just giving you the answers in this case. Most of the steps we've done in the past. Finding a common denominator, and then adding the numerators. The same thing here. Common denominator was 20. When we subtract down, we get 81 over 20. Here, remember our first step is always change our mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then we find our common denominator, add and reduce if possible. Make that into an improper fraction, common denominators, and add or subtract. In this case, we're subtracting. Finally, we're getting our common denominators again and subtracting. This time, making our mixed numbers improper. Common denominator and reduce. Common denominator here, we actually find that this is a special case. It becomes 0 over 8, which is just 0. Anytime we have a 0 on the top, the answer is just 0. And here, common denominators, and our final answer.